We're testing out some trendy coffee makers that we're seeing gain popularity this time of year. We're looking at Ninja's DualBrew Pro and seeing how it compares to the fan favorite Keurig Ki single serve. Both let you make coffee for one at a time, but which one's better? Hi, I'm Branson Stowell, and we're gonna put these coffee makers to the test. And the best way to support us is to give us a like, hit that subscribe button, and leave a comment to let us know what you think. Our testing lab put each product through a rigorous testing process designed to evaluate the product's effectiveness, durability, and whether it does what the manufacturer claims. Our promise to you is that we'll only recommend the product that meets our high standards and that we think are worthy of your consideration.
So we are comparing a good amount of our coffee makers today, and so we just went through the Ninja DualBrew Pro. We're gonna go and evaluate out of 5: size, ease of use, design, quality, and cleaning to get to a total number of a ranking from our testing lab. We talked about this already, but for size, this is a 2-in-1.
Yeah, I think width-wise, it's not that big. It's a little tall for like some countertops, but overall you're getting 2-in-1, so it's sort of the sacrifice that you make for the device. We give the size of the Ninja DualBrew Pro a 4 out of 5. It's taller and wider than your average carafe coffee maker, but since it also does pods, it's worth the countertop space.
Ease of use.
No, super easy. Really, the setup was really quick. And I feel like the instructions and like the handling is intuitive. It was easy to set up, so we gave it a 5 for ease of use. The display is smart and easy to read, and we're able to make hot and cold coffee with just the push of a button. What about design? What do you think?
I think it's not like the most beautiful stainless steel appliance, but looking at the design and how it's so compact, like the frother on the side is an arm and you can put it back in to save space, and the water is on the outside rather than on the top. I like those features a lot. What do you think?
Yeah, I think it's fantastic. We think the design gets a 4.5 out of 5 because the build hides some of the functions really well, like attached frother, which comes out of a handle. And it's not the prettiest stainless steel machine, but it won't look bad at all in a kitchen.
Now we're talking about the quality of the actual maker, but also the quality of the brew, and you're the expert here.
The quality of the build itself is really good, and the brew, you know, unless you're really particular, is gonna be fine for most people. Overall, we give the quality a 4 out of 5. There's only so much you can do to customize your brew, so if you wanna make your coffee right to your liking, this isn't for you. But if you like coffee, however you're giving it, this works great. Yeah, I mean, for some coffee products that we've dealt with, this is definitely on the more manageable side. I would sing its praises because you only have to clean a few elements, a carafe, which you should clean anyway, the interior filter chamber, and then there is a frother on the side, but it's removable. So all this stuff makes it so much easier, so much more manageable. Finally, it gets a 5 for cleaning. All the parts that get dirty are removable and easy to rinse. With Ninja DualBrew Pro's regular price being about $230, and you're someone who has the choice between making a big batch or 1 cup at a time, this one is gonna be for you.
Now we're going to try out the Keurig Ki and see how it compares. All right, 5 out of 5 for size?
Yeah, the Keurig Ki, super small.
Yeah, I agree. My kitchen countertop's really small. This would fit perfectly.
The Keurig Ki single serve gets a 5 for its small size. It's a simple machine and doesn't take up too much space.
Ease of use.
You couldn't get more simple, the buttons are there.
Yeah, it's just like it does one thing really well.
Keurig is famous for its K-cup single-serve pod, so it's mastered the ease of use. We gave it a 5 because putting in a pod, closing the lid, and pressing brew are the only things you have to do to get a solid cup of coffee.
Design.
It works, and I think in terms of like the actual mechanical design, it's fine. The machine isn't the prettiest out there, so we gave it a 3. If it was all about aesthetics, it would have gotten a 1 out of 5 because of its gray plastic construction. But it's the ease of use element in the design that really elevates it. If it was made of a beautiful stainless steel, it would have gotten a 5.
But what do you think for quality?
The quality of the coffee, the tough part is it's Keurig, so you only get K-pods, so you get like one style. It doesn't give you a lot of variety. And also, again, the quality of the build just feels a little weak to me, but it functions well, and especially if you're a K-pod person, it's fine. Quality also gets a 3 out of 5 because you can only get so much quality out of a pod. This isn't the machine for you if you like to change up your routine, but it'll be consistent and reliable, and the fact that you can do both hot and ice helps keep the coffee score up. I don't have any notes in terms of cleaning, which is great.
Yeah, easy. It doesn't do a whole lot, but it does it well.
You can count on cleaning to be reliable too. It gets a perfect 5 there. The water reservoir needs to be hand washed, but that's it. You can get the Keurig Ki's for $100, and we think it's definitely worth the price. If you like coffee and want it made for you fast, this is the single serve coffee maker for you. Do you prefer pods or making a carafe with grounds? Let us know in the comments below.